Someone call 911! Baby, am I gonna die? Oh, I can't feel my legs. What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This video is a little bit different from the ones that I've done before. I am actually the narrator. I found these pictures online and I put a story to the pictures. I recorded it once. I laughed the whole recording. The story is pretty funny. I hope you guys enjoyed as I did. While you're here, like this video, share it, help me grow the channel. Enjoy. Oh darling, it's such a beautiful day to be outside. COVID-19 has kept us in the house for so long. Oh yes, John, that's true. Come lay right here beside me, darling. I love you so much. Oh my God, John, I just warned you to come next to me. Look, what happened to you? Oh my God, someone call 911. Baby, am I gonna die? Oh, I can't feel my legs. Beep, beep, beep. Oh my God, John, I warned you. You just don't listen. Oh my God, my baby John is necklace. Baby, I just feel uncomfortable. I'm down here and you're up there. Am I still a man? I don't even know. What am I? What am I, sweetheart? Oh, John, don't be like that. Hey, you. You hurt my husband. I want you to hurt me too. Run me over with your lawnmower. I'll pay you $2,000. I love him. I want to be on his level. You sure, ma'am? Okay. Oops! Oh my God, this is so painful. I can't believe this is what John went through. Now I'm gonna be on John's level. Yes, John. Give me that small white penis, baby. Darling, do you love this small white penis? Yes, John. I want you to nut inside of me. I want to have your baby. John, I can't wait to have your baby. My face is so big and fat. I know you're not even attracted to me right now. Baby, don't say that. I love you. Look at what you did for me. John, is the baby normal? Oh my God, yes. He's normal. He's a normal looking baby. I'm so happy we having a normal baby. I love you, Mom and Dad. Although you guys are abnormal and I'm normal, we're such a happy family. We're the happy bunch. What's up, my peeps? I hope you enjoyed the video. Yo, I enjoyed it. I laughed right through recording. Now I'm asking you kindly to like the video, share the video, help me grow the channel, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Until next time, stay safe. This freaking vibes is so nice.